friends, it's Stephy and welcome to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this eye makeup look. It's like a green and magenta smoky eye. So before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell down below so you can get notifications when I post a new video like this one. And make sure that you follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Stephy Blue Bear. I'm wearing a wig because my real hair is like super messy and nasty and I didn't want to like do anything with it. And honestly, in order for me to style my hair, it has to be wet or I have to have taken a shower, and I already took a shower like yesterday, but it's just, I think I'm gonna have to take another shower because it's really hot in my room for some reason. But you know, this wig's kind of looking weird too, but like it's better than my hair. So now we're zooming into my eye. So the first color I'm gonna be using the Lime Crime Plushies Quad, and I'm going to be using Dragon Fruit, which is this really nice like magenta purpley color. So I am going to be putting that on the crease of my eyes. So now I'm going to blend that out. So I'm going to be using the Real Her 1 Shadow Palette, Be Your Own Kind of Beauty, and I'm going to be using the black color right here, and it's in the name Smart. I'm going to be using this small fluffy eye crease brush, and I'm going to dip into that. And I'm going to put it like right here and just spread it out a little bit right here, but not too much, just so it could be sort of a smoky eye. And now I'm just going to blend that out. So now I'm going to take a flat brush. I have this one from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to be using this City Color Cosmetics Shimmer Shadow, and it's this green color, and I think it's called Beach Cottage. So let me open it up for you. And it looks like this. It's a shimmer, obviously. So I'm going to take a setting spray. I got this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Natural Finish setting spray. And I'm going to spray my brush so the shimmer can come off on the brush more easily. And now I'm going to put that on my eyelid. So pretty. So now I'm going to take this smudgy brush and I'm going to use the same color in this palette called Dragon Fruit and put it underneath my eyes. I'm going to blend that out a little bit. So now I'm going to take this eyeshadow in the color Enigma by Surreal Makeup and put that in the inner corners of my eyes. So now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes, put on a wing, and put mascara on. So now I'm going to take this color Fine in the Real Her 1 palette, and I'm going to put that as a, this one right here, as a brow bone highlight. So the last thing I'm going to be doing for the eyes, I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild loose highlighting powder from the Zodiac collection in the color Written in Stars, and I'm gonna put that in the inner corner, like inner corner of the eyes, but not like on the bottom. Like, I'll show you, you'll see, like just right here, like that. Wow. So the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put some lipstick on. I'm not entirely sure what would go good with this eye look, but I'm going to try on the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the color Voyage. It's like a red color, so maybe it'll work out. I don't know. I may have overdrawn my lips just a bit, but this look still looks nice with this lip color. So this is the final look. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Comment down below. Are you gonna try this makeup look? Do you like the colors? Let me know about down below. And until next time, bye.